Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use boards in Asana, your complete guide for 2025. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to create a board by clicking on the plus new project button and then selecting the board layout. This layout allows you to visualize your work in columns, with each column representing a different stage in your workflow. Now that we've done that, you'll understand why this step is crucial. Boards in Asana are perfect for managing projects that are best tracked visually, making it easier for you and your team to stay on the same page. Next up, let's add some tasks. To do this, click on the plus Add Task button in the appropriate column and give your task a name. This helps us because it's a way to break down your project into manageable chunks, keeping everything organized and easy to follow. Now let's customize our board. Click on the Fields button to add custom fields, like priority or cost, to your tasks. The reason we do this is to add more context to our tasks, making it clear what needs to be done, when, and by whom. Another cool feature in Asana is the ability to move tasks between columns. Simply click and hold the task card, then drag it to its new column. This way, you can visually track the progress of each task from start to finish. Let me explain why this matters. It provides a visual representation of your workflow, helping you identify bottlenecks or delays in real time. Finally, don't forget to use the Overview tab. This gives you a high-level view of your project, including due dates, project owner, and progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is compiling all the data from your project into a concise summary, giving you a bird's-eye view of your project's status at a glance. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide on how to use boards in Asana. Remember, the goal is to make your project management more efficient and transparent. Now, go forth and conquer your projects with Asana boards. Thanks for tuning in.